Good morning, good morning, good morning everyone. Ito po kami. Habang nagbabangin rin kami, po kami ng konting panghilaw at pangulam.
Malapit sa Cebu, Paul.
Ito sa malapit sa Cebu, Cebu ba ito? Ayun. Cebu ka Paul, bayan ni Junel. Igot. Ito guys, oh. So ito, gusot-gusot ko na. Ito yung wahuli namin, oh. Dami na. Okay. Babanga rin kasi kami. Yung mga huli namin. Puro matambaka. Kasi pambira-bira lang yung kawin namin. Nagusot-gusot pa. So, siyempre. Babanga rin kami. Shoutout nga pala. Want to thanks also to all guys that to all of you guys that always supporting my silent life. Thank you so much. I really appreciated what did to my channel. I'm sorry that I did not making personal life because I'm so busy in the ship. So just making time, if I have the time to make it live, so I make silent live. Thank you so much guys, for everyone, to everyone also. Thank you so much for the special that who helped my my life. Sige, that's it. Thank you so much guys. Bless you. So, my brother guys, ang kawin niya pamalaki yan. Habang nagbabangka rin kami, medyo okay naman yung smooth naman yung aming bunkering. Awan ng Panginoon Diyos, thanks God that we taking a bunker for a smooth. And that's
Kita. Simpleng buhay lang.
Yeah. Ito yung buhay lang sa barko. Pero masalimuot. Ito yung buhay parang masalimuot ba? So now, sila, we are very careful about this situation. So thank you so much for God bless you, God bless you. Shout out everyone. Shout out. Thank you so much.